Hi again. This video is for after you've already set up your assignment and your students have either taken the assignment already or you want to go back and edit it or so forth. This is what you're going to do. So I'm back at the home screen again. Click on the Assess button. Go back into your e-assessments. And then remember you go up to Section, change it from Test Generator over to Classes and Assignments. And then your name will be up here on the left, so you drag it over, click and drag. And there's my assignment that I set up. I actually made up a different one just so I could use it for for you guys. Um, and so you can see here it's red, so that means that I have some manual scoring to do. You can see over here I had some assignments, some questions on there that they entered in that the program doesn't answer, doesn't correct for you. So what I'm going to do here is over here on the left side, once you select an assignment, this little pencil and the arrow drop down will show up. And if you just click on that, it's going to give you some options here of what you can do. And I'm just going to kind of go through these, show you a couple of them, and that's about it. So up here at the top, you have View Assignment Summary. That's just going to show you, again, the summary of what you've set up for this assignment. Okay, so you can go through and check and make sure everything was set up correctly. The next part, if you go down to Edit Assignment, now this is going to take you back to where the screen where you set up the assignment originally. So if you made the whole assignment and then you realized, oh, I wanted to change something in there, you can go through and change whatever you wanted to do as you're going through. Okay, so you can go back and change things. So I'm just going to cancel that, but you get the idea, hopefully. We'll go back again. Next one, view assignment results. This is kind of a cool one. So you can see how all of your students have done. I signed into one of my students and went through and just put in some random answers. Now, the score it shows right now is a 35.7%. Now, I did purposely get a couple wrong. However, some of the questions on this test are fill in the blank type questions, so they're not multiple choice, and the test does not correct those as they don't mark them correct. So those all at this point show up as wrong answers. So I think I filled out like, I want to say 5 out of 7 or something, maybe 7 of them, and I got 5 of them correct and 2 of them wrong. And so right now, what it shows though is that I made like 5 out of 14 or something to that effect. So um, this score is not correct based on the entire test. Uh, it's only um, it's only graded the ones that were multiple choice for me. Okay, and all the rest are wrong. So you'll want to go back and check that out. You can also view the student's test right here. If you just hit view, it'll pop up the screen, and you can go through and look at everything. So yeah, I got 5 out of 7 so far. But the open-ended again haven't been checked so far. So you can scroll down and you can see, okay, so right down here, number 8, right? Number 8 has a correct answer, but it's right now it's 0 out of 1 points because it doesn't correct it for you. All right, we'll talk more about this in a little bit. All right, let me bring back up my screen. There we go, so we're done. And then we're going to go to the next one, edit scores. Now, this is where you're going to want to go in and actually fix all the scores that have not been corrected yet. Okay, so you hit edit scores, and because I only have one student doing the test, I can go in and I can, this is where I will actually change all the answers that need to be changed. Okay, so all the multiple choice ones should all already be correct. So you see B, he's got 1 score here, 1 there, 1 there. I answered this one wrong, got these 2 right, and then answered this one wrong. And then here you can see, so it says what the question type. It shows over here question type. Has it been graded? So yes, these have, no, these have not. So these are all ones that I'm going to want to go back and grade. Okay, and then this shows the correct answer that it should be, and this shows the answer that the student gave. Okay, so right here on the spot, you can actually go in and correct it. So I just hit this edit button over here, and then that's just going to let me change the score. So Uh, I got the correct answer on that one, so I'm going to change that to a 1. Hit update. Okay, hit edit again. Got that one right. So 1, update. Edit the next one. 1, update. Now it is a bit of a hassle. um, but I heard they're actually working on this, so you get the idea though. Update. And so you'd go through and do the rest. We'll just pretend for the sake of, well, I guess I'm almost here, so we'll just finish this. So there you go, update. And the last one, there's my update. All right, so now I am completely finished. And look, now it's not red anymore. It's back to black, showing me that everything is has been corrected. And if you see over here, it says need manual scoring. No, it's all done. Okay, and now my score here also went from the 35 up to an 85.7%. So I did much better now. All right, so you can go back in now. Uh, the edit scores I just showed you, clear assignment results. If you click this button, it's going to leave the assignment in there, but it's going to wipe out all the scores for all of your students. Okay, so if you choose to do that, you can go right ahead. But yeah, that'll wipe out all those scores, and you can show you what it's like. So you just select who you want to do, and then hit OK, and it'll wipe out the score. Okay, I'm not going to do it for right now. And the next one, you keep going down. Delete assignment, that's going to wipe the assignment out altogether, so it's not even in your screen anymore. View assignment status. This one's kind of cool. It shows you who all has completed the assignment, so this is pretty good if you want to check to see if it was like a homework or something like that. Okay, who you assigned it to. Now I only assigned it to one student, so yes down here. They only did one attempt at it, okay, and I did it at 6:50 the night that I did this, and I got an 85.7%. So that's a summary. You can see everybody's scores right there. All right, and then finally, preview assignment. If you want to see the actual questions that are going to be on the test, you can go through and check those out right there. And so you can go through and check out any of the questions you want to see, and just kind of know what your students are in for. That's some basic ways how to edit it. You can see all your scores. You can put it into your grade books. There's also another way to put it into your grade book, but we'll talk about that at a later time. This is kind of I think this is the way that I usually go through and do stuff. So hopefully that helps. There is also a written out word for word, kind of how to step by step how to do all this stuff as well. So hopefully, if the videos aren't clear enough, hopefully the writing part will be, or you can use them in conjunction with each other. Thanks a lot.